donated $10. This might not go over well.
This might not go over well, I think. Oh wow, another $10. God damn.
Damn.
Sofa King. Alright, ready? Are you guys, are you supposed to use your hands to like balance? Like, watch out, watch out, watch out. Oh my. He's trying to skate. We should be in the kiddie area still.
We should be in the middle doing that. The people on the side are the people that need help.
I feel like it's, yeah, true. True. Oh damn, that area got filled up fast. You okay? Okay. I'll try to stay as far away as possible, and then if you get like near people, I'll try to come in. Yeah, I think the key is just keep going forward and start slipping back. I'll hold your back from here. Just keep going forward. You'll be okay. You're okay. You're okay. This is good though. That was good. So far. My job isn't to catch her if she falls, guys. My job is to get the perfect clip. You know? I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. I got you. You're okay. Oh my god, what the fuck are these noises? I just realized. Dude, I thought someone was like falling or something. What the fuck were those noises, man? She's gonna take everyone down with her. I have no idea what I'm doing. I'm trying to skate backwards.
No, that's not skating.
What?
You're not even walking. I don't know what is that.
Dude, I'm trying to learn. Yeah. I want to learn that. But I feel like I'll just die in the process of learning it. Yeah, with your equipment on, yikes. You're good though. Use your knees. They're saying use your knees. Like bend a little bit more and then you can...
Stop doing that shit.
You're like, look at that beginner loser. Let me just fucking do like a 360 on her face. We can see your shadow trying to go back. Dude, I'm trying, man. It's hard. It's hard work. Whoa. Oh.
See, it's very easy to fall.
Anyone could have made that mistake. Could have been anyone, Gigi. Does that make you feel better that everyone's ruining it too?
Yeah, I wanna try that.
Oh my, I almost fucking fell. No, you know, it's actually way harder going slow. I'm losing my balance going slow. When I was going fast, I was totally fine. It was really easy. Just have to go smooth.
Yeah, but when I see you stop,
yeah.
I fear.
Okay, well then just go go from here, and then we'll just stop you. Whoa. Okay. Yeah, see? Well, you're popping off. Okay, I'm just gonna keep going. Don't stop, keep going. Okay. Oh, she's taking steps now. Yeah, it's way easier when you actually lift your, the other leg off when you're pushing with it. It is. You can do it. Don't walk, slide. Yeah, dude, no, she was doing it.
control.
I think you gotta put your weight forward and not backward. I think if you put your weight backward, you're just gonna fall on your ass. That could be wrong. Oh, it's actually so cold.
Yeah.
You're sweating?
Yeah.
Jeez.
That's how nervous and scared I am.
Aww. But you're doing well. Like, you're doing great. You only fell like once or twice, some shit. Three. Okay. We had a roller skate?
Oh my god.
People are wiping like hard, and they're fine. And they're having a good time. It's okay. I wonder when they have to resurface. Probably like 9 times it. 8:30. Wait, you're skating?
What's happening? Are you interacting?
Am I interacting? Dude, I'm just trying to get the angles and not die myself. This is hard because I have to like constantly angle at you while skating forward. They care. They want to see the progress. They want to see the progress. Uh oh, watch out. There's like hella people in front of you. Okay. Okay, now you can go. You're free. Look at all that room. Go, look. Oh. Don't look back.
I heard the
Did you just try to look that way and skate that way? Oh my god. Alright, go. You can do it. Turn. Oh my god.
I'm done. I'm sweating so hard. You have no idea. I'm about to cry.
Whew, Ben 10 set up. Dude, you're actually skating fine. Just keep going forward. You're okay. I'm actually just gonna stay behind you so that you're more confident to just, go forward.
I'm done. I'm too stressed.
Just reading chat. Skate while reading chat.
No?
Here, I'll just do it in front of you. Interact.
Strider RX has just donated $. LMAO.
Guys,
I don't know you.
you want me to run away? You want me to take the ayayas around the ring?
Yeah, do it.
Fuck, are you serious? This is for Strider. This is embarrassing, dude. Oh, people are wiping. Oh god, where do I go? Where do I go? Dude, this is so embarrassing. Oh fuck. Oh my god. I almost went so fucking hard. Holy shit. I'm actually scared. I'm actually like scared. Holy fuck. Oh. Wait, I'm sweating.
Yeah?
Yeah.
I'm sweating mostly from fear.
Dude, the people just like immersed, like it looked like there weren't that many, so and then they just like made like a fucking line of people. Oh my god.
It's scary. And there are annoying people, you know?
You mean pros?
That just like literally try to show off in front of you. I'm just like, fuck off.
But you did, but like for your, you know.
Second time.
Pretty good. From where you started to like in the morning, like right when you got on the ice to like at the end, it's good.
But I think it's fun. Is it weird that I think it's fun?
No. Progress.
I'm thinking I do for $9. The slow zone is scary? Really? Slow zone is scary? This is scary.
Yeah, they're both. I feel like I don't have balance when I'm going slow though. When I'm going fast, you don't think about balance. You're just going. You know what I mean? And but like.
But I need to get over that fear.
Yeah. Yeah. Can you guys see Gigi like this? I'm just chilling. Oh, sorry. Sorry, master. Forgot to show you chat. Do you want to just take chat? You want to just take them? Oh, how far does this have? Do these two devices have to be like near each other to get?
Oh, it's Bluetooth, so.
Oh, but okay. Like, would it be okay if it's like up other side of the rink?
And out of control apps is the best app.
Dude, it's so scary. I should definitely not be like going that fast for how bad I am at stopping.
Gigi deserves a kiss for awesome try. From who? Can I get Ryan Gosling to kiss me, please?
Yeah, I'll just fly him in.
Guys, this phone is running out of battery too. I don't think things are charging properly when this is cold outside.
I can't feel my toes. They're so cold. Oh, that's so. Wait, that's kind of dope. Look how clear that is. Wait. I wish I could see what it's like when it's like I'm zoom, like I'm going. Like, you know what I mean? Do you want to see what
This
it's like?
thing is dying.
Do you want to see what it's like?
What about your phone? I can only use your phone. So that phone
Oh, my
is
phone's
bad.
dead, dude. My phone's like fucking
Well,
10%
Chad,
value.
I gotta go. I can't see you anymore. He's gonna perform with you guys so that
Okay, we go.
this is the last one, and then we're gonna rate someone.
If I fall. Okay, I'll be back. Oh. Bro, that person almost like knocked me out. Oh god. People getting knocked out left and right.
I think you just need to turn your feet or something.
Turn my feet, okay.
Yeah, like this is the flow, right? Like
Uh-huh.
this is the side they were
Like
going.
this?
Like no, like this.
This.
Like
Look.
this. Like parallel, but like
Oh, I see what you're saying. So like that.
yeah.
Oh my god. Like that. But like fast.
No, like 'cause this is low.
Yeah.
When you're trying to stop, don't use your feet.
Both feet?
Yeah, that's what they're doing.
Okay. Yeah, that's what the pros are. I'm sure they've like practiced. Okay, I'll try it. Oh god. Okay, okay. I'm gonna try to do the stopping thing when there's less people in front of me. So it's... I tried it, it didn't work.
Okay.
Fuck.
Live,
Fuck.
Oh my god, it's so cold.
Yeah. Woo.
I don't know. This is not even charging. Oh, it's not charging. I need to charge one of the phone to actually be able to end stream, because otherwise I can't end.
Oh, because you're logged in on one of these?
Yeah, I have to like remote control my desktop, and I can't see chat at all right now.
Oh, let me open. I have some juice left.
Oh.
GG Raya. Roya. Wait, how do I make it chat only? Oh shit. Wait, how do you open a chat only?
Where is it?
Here.
This, and then...
You just make me unfollow you?
Oh,
chat only.
really?
Here we go. God bless.
Did you just unfollow me?
You just clicked it. You unfollowed yourself. You just lost a follower. How does that feel?
Feels bad.
Alright, let me follow again. Oh no. What the hell? Weird.
Thanks guys for watching. I'll see you guys tomorrow. SCP, thank you for the $3 just now that we couldn't get abs on follow. It feels bad, man. Yeah, I don't know.
Just bullying me too much.
Who should we raise? Let me see. Thank you guys for watching. It is almost 9. I think we got a good amount of screaming content in. Yeah? Bye-bye. See you
Bye, guys.
again.
Take care.
Oh, you guys probably got lots of clips, huh? Yes, okay, we can host Nana. Let's go host Nana. I'm gonna go now. Okay, I'm ready. Thank you guys so much. 9-9. Thank you. I'll be on tomorrow with Ashley. We're going to work out and then go to Hot Pot. And then Sunday, I think I'm doing dance stream. Bye-bye. Thank you guys for watching. I love you guys. I'll see you guys tomorrow. If there's anybody new and you follow me, remember to follow my stream and remember to follow this camera boy right there.
If you hate yourself and play League of Legends. Nah. I gotta remove that. That guy still is sitting on the account. Anyway, take care, guys.